I am constantly in my garden that goes around my entire house, and I am always misplacing things. So I am thrilled that Case4Life sent me their handy tool holder. Now this is an exceptionally durable canvas material, and it is designed with this strap so you can wear it as a belt, or you can add it to your own belt as well very easily. And then it has just a ton of ways to hook things onto it. You have this great zipper pocket that's very water resistant, this wonderful big pocket here, various pockets through here, including a pin holder, carabiner, clip, and even a hook down here. And just to keep in mind, while I'm going to use this for gardening, you could use this just as easily for tools, and this would be a great spot to hang a hammer. Now it's totally adjustable and easy to clip on. Just put it where you want. I prefer it right here as it's easy access while I'm working on gardening. And here's how I'm filling it. I'm starting with putting seeds that I often replant in this more water resistant pocket, along with some more plant labels. Add a permanent marker. I use my gardening gloves constantly, so I will be shoving those in all the time. And I'm nearly always looking for my shears. I'm definitely putting those in the big pocket though, as I don't want them to fall out. And then I have some twine and scissors for when I want to tie a plant in place. And finally, I am always gonna have some sunscreen on hand. Really helpful to me. And I'll probably always keep this weeder on me as well. Now it's super convenient to me to sit down exactly where I need to weed, grab the tools I want and my gloves, and get to work. This is super helpful, and I'm going to be using it all summer.